What if everything you design here could appear directly in the interface where your people work? This is myMeta Orchestra, the back-end intelligence layer of the myMeta platform. Orchestra is where business logic comes to life, where workflows are designed visually without extensive coding, where data is connected, enterprise systems are brought together, and AI is coordinated under a single governed layer. Not a black box, not a developer-only tool, a visual engine that makes the intelligence of your enterprise configurable, governable, and, for the first time, directly connected to the experience layer where work actually happens. For years, back-end intelligence and front-end experience were built separately. The logic stayed in the back end. The experience stayed on the surface. They never met, not because it was impossible, but because no single platform had been built to connect them. myMeta changed that. Orchestra was designed as part of a unified platform where the back end and the front end are one continuous layer. What you configure in Orchestra does not stay in the back end. It surfaces directly in the interface. For the first time, complex business logic and AI are not behind the application. They are inside it, in the interface, at the moment of work. Exactly where they need to be. Here is what that looks like in practice. A procurement manager opens their application. A supplier needs approval. The compliance check does not happen in a separate system. Orchestra has already run it across 3 data sources, and the result is already there, inline. One action to complete. A new employee starts their first day. Instead of navigating 10 systems, one guided flow, built in Orchestra, surfacing through the experience layer, takes them through everything. Every system connected, every step already prepared. A finance team closes the quarter. The data they need is not scattered across reports and dashboards. Orchestra has assembled it, live, governed from every relevant source directly in their working interface. The user never leaves their application. The intelligence comes to them. Enterprises have invested heavily in AI. The intelligence is real, the problem is delivery. Most AI reaches the infrastructure layer and stops there. Employees consult it separately, copy its output, and manually bring it back into the application where they work. Intelligence that requires a detour is intelligence that slows people down. Orchestra closes that gap. It coordinates AI services across the enterprise, any model, any vendor, inside governed workflows, with full business context already loaded. The output does not go to a chat window. It surfaces in the experience layer at the moment of work, under rules the enterprise defines. Not AI beside your work, AI inside it. Vendor agnostic by design, governed by the enterprise, not the vendor. Build and draw orchestrate the user journey. Orchestra orchestrates the enterprise. Together, one unified platform, where back-end intelligence and front-end experience are not 2 separate layers to be integrated. They are one. DXOP is the category. Orchestra is the engine.